Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're eagerly waiting for your new Ford vehicle from the 2025 lineup, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down how to track your Ford order step by step. This is super handy because it lets you monitor production status, estimated delivery dates, and any delays without the guesswork. Let's dive in. First things first, you'll need to head over to the official Ford website. It's the most reliable source for accurate updates. Once you're there, make sure you're logged into your Ford account. If you don't have one, sign up quickly, it's free and straightforward. Don't have an account? No worries, you can create one using your email and the details from your order. Now, after logging in, navigate to the Order Tracking section. It's usually found in the Customer Portal or under the My Ford tab. Here, you'll enter your order number or Vehicle Identification Number, VIN. You should have received these when you placed your order, so keep them handy. Once entered, hit Submit, and voila! You'll see the current status of your order, like whether it's in production, awaiting parts, or en route to the dealer. A pro tip: if you're on the go, download the Ford Pass app. It's available for both iOS and Android, and it offers real-time notifications about your order's progress. This way, you won't have to keep checking manually. Also, remember that tracking times can vary. Some orders update daily, while others might take a few days, especially with high demand for 2025 models. One common issue is if your order isn't showing up. Double-check for typos in your order number or ensure you're using the correct VIN. If problems persist, reach out to your Ford dealer, they're there to help. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll stay informed and reduce any anxiety about your new ride. If this tutorial helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more car tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and drive safe.